In this video, I will show how to create multiplication table in Microsoft Excel. So very easy and simple way. You need to write in first row 1 to 10, 15, 20, or as you need the numbers of table. Same right here in row and column in serial. Now you have to write this formula. Equal sign, then A2, shift 8, then B1. Now type here dollar sign shift 4, same dollar sign between P and 1. So this is the formula. Press enter. Now just drag and drop. So in just a few clicks you can create multiplication table in Excel. So thanks for watching.